So Jill, we're about to head off on a huge caravan trip around Australia, or maybe just for a weekend. So what sort of safety gear do we need to carry with us?
Look, the more we travel, the more we have to be self-sufficient. So the very first thing that I would suggest is a very comprehensive first aid kit. Make sure it's got everything in there that you need. Make sure it's personalised to your family, your particular medication or the age of your kids, and know how to use it. Do a first aid course before you leave. The other thing with the first aid kit is make sure it's easily accessible.
The other thing that we can carry with us, Jewel, is a tyre repair kit, because there's always a risk of getting punctures whilst we're out on the road. So carrying the kit and getting the knowledge how to use it, very important as well.
It's all about the what ifs. What if those things go wrong? Have I got the right equipment with me? Do I know how to use it? Recovery equipment, just in case someone gets stuck, but very, very important that you're trained to know how to use it correctly and safely.
Other critical things that we need to take with us, we need to make sure we have fire extinguishers fitted into the caravan for us. We also need to make sure that there is a working smoke alarm in the caravan, and there are different smoke alarms for both caravans and motorhomes. You need to check that you have the right one. You need to also check that they are operational before you go away.
That's right, John. In addition to a smoke alarm, you should also fit a carbon monoxide or CO2 alarm to monitor fumes from any gas appliances you may have fitted to your caravan or motorhome.
Don't forget to have your fire blanket mounted in the kitchen, easily accessible.
The more remote you travel, the more effective means of communication you're going to need to take with you. Things like a spot, satellite phone, a HF radio, a UHF radio, all effective means of communication, so that should you be in trouble, you can call somebody to help you get out. Also, letting people know where you're going and where you will be is an effective part of that communication system as well. The key to a safe, enjoyable trip is great preparation. Make yourself a comprehensive list, make sure you've got everything on there that you need, and check it off as you pack it.